Setting up email marketing with Systeme.io is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To begin with Systeme.io, you need to visit their website. Once there, scroll down and click on Email Marketing. On the email marketing page, you'll find an option to get my free account. Click this button to start. You'll be asked to enter your email address as the first step of creating your account. Afterward, click Get Started for free. Soon, you'll receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Check your email and locate the confirmation message from Systeme.io. Open your Gmail account or the email address you used for registration and click on the confirmation link within the email. This confirms your account. Following confirmation, you'll proceed to create a password for your account. Make sure to complete any required captcha verification by ticking the I'm not a robot checkbox. Save your password and you'll be directed to your Systeme.io account dashboard. Here you can explore different options available, such as managing products, sales tools, creating blogs, setting up automation, email marketing, and contact management. Regarding email marketing, you can access this feature from the dashboard. It allows you to create newsletters and email campaigns to connect with your audience. Furthermore, you can view the email statistics to track the performance of your email campaigns. Navigate to Campaigns and click to create a campaign for your website or email. You can also create newsletters here. Choose between monthly or weekly options and a variety of other campaigns. Customize your campaigns as needed. You can also create a newsletter from here. You can create a monthly or weekly newsletter. You can also create a whole bunch of other campaigns. In the Statistics section, you can access valuable insights into your email marketing efforts. You'll find information such as the number of emails sent, the average percentage of opened emails, and more. Once you've reviewed the statistics, return to the Campaign section and proceed to create a new campaign for your email marketing efforts. When creating a campaign, enter a name and description for it, and then click to save your campaign settings. If you need to make changes to your created campaigns, you can do so by clicking on the three dots menu or selecting the Edit option for the specific campaign you want to modify. Now, let's delve into automating your email marketing through workflows. Access the Workflow section under Automations. To create a workflow, click on the Create button and provide a name for your workflow. Afterward, click to save your workflow settings. Once you've created your workflow, click on it to begin building it. For your first trigger, you can choose various options. For example, you might set a trigger for when an email link is clicked. Following this trigger, you can design your workflow to perform specific actions. In this case, you may want to send a second email when a link in the first email is clicked. This automation allows you to not only create your initial email campaigns, but also set up automated follow-up emails within the Systeme.io platform. By utilizing these features, you can effectively manage and automate your email marketing efforts using Systeme.io. And by using this method, you'll be doing your email marketing in a very automated fashion. Systeme.io is just one of several applications that offer email marketing features. When considering the pricing of Systeme.io, it's worth noting that they offer a generous free plan if you have your own business email. This free plan grants you access to up to 2,000 contacts and includes features like sending unlimited emails, creating 3 sales funnels with 10 sales funnel steps, and having unlimited blog posts among other benefits. If you require more extensive features and capabilities, Systeme.io offers various paid plans. The startup plan, priced at $27 per month, increases your contact limit to 5,000 and maintains the unlimited emails sent. You can also create 10 sales funnels and 5 blogs along with other features. Moving up, there's the webinar plan for $47 per month, which accommodates 10,000 contacts and offers perks like 50 coupon codes and 24/7 email support. Finally, the unlimited plan. At $97 per month, provides you with limitless possibilities, removing any restrictions on contacts, emails, or other features. The tutorial begins with creating a Systeme.io account, guiding you through the registration process, including email confirmation and password setup. Once inside the account dashboard, you'll discover a range of options such as emails, statistics, campaigns, and automations. Now you've completed our in-depth tutorial on setting up email marketing with Systeme.io in 2023. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more helpful content in our upcoming videos.